out here today. Got the poles all set up. It's nice and windy. Nice and windy. You know, I got me a Bud Light. There's also a snake over here. He right there chilling. He beat up a little bit. Somebody smashed him with a rock, but he's still alive. Barely. But hopefully we get some bites. Wish I had some cut bait today, but we just got some stink bait. Danny King stink bait. Suki gizzard, however you say it. Suki gizzard. Gizzard. Catfish. Danny King. Let's see if we can have some luck on that today. Been out here for about, well, I really just got all the poles set up, so not long at all. Not long at all. But we're gonna see what we can hook into. So I got hit. Let's see if he's still there. Got hit hard too. Oh. I definitely missed him. First bite of the day. Oh yeah, he cleaned me up. Man, that's a good bite. He cleaned me all the way up too. See if we can get some bait back on here. Lee hit me hard. Oh man, got a good little piece on there this time. That should be good right there. I'm gonna catch him this time. I just feel like I was too far away from my pole. All right. Hopefully I have better luck this time. Man, that was a good bite. The snake didn't move. I don't know where he moved to, but he didn't move. Man, I'm upset about that bite. I guess we gonna wait now. That's all we can do. Just got tugged on right here. Let's see if he gonna come back. Hopefully he do. Hitting hard. Why would you waste my time? Seems like the bite picking up a little bit now. Just a little bit. It'd be nice if I could catch a fish though. Why Why would you waste my time? Oh, there you go. Got him. Oh yeah, I got him. Watch my step for these snakes. Little channel. Oh, he had to been on there for a while because he didn't swallow my hook. And I did not have my pliers. But caught this one little channel. And he did swallow my hook, so I gotta try and get that out without no pliers. Oh, it's right here. Aha. He got lucky. Oh man. Did remove the hook from his mouth. And here he is. Oh, hold on. Alright. There you go. This little channel. Got some blood coming from his mouth. He alright though, cause he getting ate today. Filet mignon. Dog Dallas then pulled up. Good. With his little family dog. What's his name? Golden. Goldie. Odin. Yep, say hey to the camera, Odin. Lick it. Lick the camera. Getting some action. See if we can get a bite. Why would you waste my time? Come through. That's two. I need him to hit that thing. He tapping on it. There's Dallas in the back trying to discipline Odin. Odin don't want to be disciplined. Come on, fish. Bite that thing.
Is that Lisa?
Lisa, yeah, that's her name. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. I wonder what happened to that snake. Oh, well, I mean, I know what happened to him. He slid away. I wonder where he went. All right. I need a fish to bite these poles here soon, man. Because I need some fish. So I can make a video. And also so I can eat. So as of right now, I mean, I'm eating, but one day. Blowing too, not too bad though. Not as bad as it was last time I was here. Last time I was here and it was blowing, and fish was biting like crazy. I don't know what's gotten to them today. He getting us a little nib. See if he gonna take it though. Come on, fish. Take that thing. Down there tapping on it. Come on. I need some action. Here we go. Come on. bite been real slow today. Too slow for me. I'm about ready to pack it up. Pack it up and get out. Chair trying to fly away. Think I had got a nibble. I was not paying attention to it. Yeah. So both poles didn't have no bait on them. The ones that I was getting tapped on. The taps. So I rebaited them back in the water. Now we waiting for another bite. Oh man. I missed him. I missed him. I missed him. I missed the good one. I think that was gonna be the one right there, and I missed him. Man, I'm messing myself up. I'm over here messing myself up, man. I guess I don't want fish. That's what it is. I don't even want fish. Cause I sure had them. Good bite too. Good bite. Got one. He seems small. Oh yeah, he's real small. Yeah, that's not what I want. It's a fish, but it's not the fish I want. Oh, got him. Got him. Doubled up. Doubled up. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's kind of small today. Got us one, though. Sir. So I was trying to make a snap, telling people come fish with me, and I ended up catching some fish. How ironic. Had to let them know that it's legit though. There we go. 2 little catfish channel. I'm gonna keep him. I'm gonna throw him back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, oh, oh. And he gone. We're gonna add him to the basket. Okay. The other channel catfish in there. Huh? Now let's see if we can go catch some more. All right, this is my new little setup right here I got for Christmas. Shout out to my girl, I needed that. Let me show y'all how I clean my catfish today. Got us 2 little channel catfish right here. Not the biggest, but they perfect eating size. All right, what I like to do, first off, let me move my phone. Move that up there. All right. So I like to cut up under here. I don't know how he's still alive. I knocked him upside his head. I think it's just his nerves. What we're gonna do next is skin him. I like to skin the whole body first before I fillet it. That's why I keep the head on, so you got something to hold on to while you pull the skin off. And the skin should just come right off like that. And when you fillet, you want to start at the top of the ribs and go down with it. Follow the ribs down like that. Boom. Quick fillet. Need to make sure I hit the next one pretty hard because this one's still alive. No, that sound bad. That's it. That's how I fillet my fish. I'm using some cornmeal, black pepper, a little onion powder, some little slap your mama for some flavor. The cornmeal, just like flour. I mean, not flour. Fish fry, except you can just basically add your own flavors to it, however you want it. I'm gonna add a pinch, just a pinch of onions. Onion seasoning, mix that around real good. Make sure the grease is nice and hot. Grease is real hot. Turn it down some. About right there. All right, so my camera died, but we're back. Back and I'm better. I'm gonna get that coated real good. I may need to use an egg. I'm gonna have to use an egg. I'm back and I'm better. I want you dead as ever. Aha, we got 1 egg left. Hopefully we can get the job done with that egg. Spoon. pinch of milk. Ooh. Ooh. It's good right there. All right. We're gonna dip that in that egg so that batter can stick to it better. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. Now we let it cook about 5 minutes. I'm gonna turn it down. So that is kind of high. About right there. I'm gonna let that one cook. Let me get these other ones prepared. And let me get to you with the final product. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these bad boys. Smelling good. Smelling real good. Yeah, I got a mess over here, so y'all don't pay no mind to that. We're gonna eat some Checkers fries with that thing, no? And Shorty has entered the building. I'm in here throwing down for the folks.
I really want to fight the mail lady because I keep putting that on the outside, meaning they need to pick it up, and she keeps stuck.
Go to the first batch right there, guys. Shorty over here peeping. First batch looking right. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, it gotta cool off. The last batch. Ooh, that shit was hot. Last batch almost done. And we got the fries going in next. Shorty! That's my call for Shorty. You don't hit my line no more. Let me get the camera over here. I mean a lot. So, fries done. Add a little salt to them. A little salt. A little pepper. And there goes my catch, clean and cooked, man. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah.